In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to your Squarespace website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your site reflects your brand's unique look and feel, all without getting lost in menus. First, inside your Squarespace workspace, look to the main navigation on the left. Click Website. This takes you into the site editor where you'll see a live preview on the right and your controls on the left, so any changes you make are easy to see in context. Next, move your attention to the top right of the editor and click the paintbrush icon. This opens your site styling controls, which is where Squarespace keeps design options like colors, spacing, and of course, typography. Think of this as your design hub. From here, click Fonts. This section centralizes all your type settings, so you're working in one place rather than chasing down individual text blocks. You'll see a clear set of categories that control global text styles across your entire site. Now, select the text type you want to change. Common choices include headings, paragraphs, and buttons. Each one controls a family of elements throughout your site, so changing a heading here updates all headings consistently. It's a fast way to maintain visual harmony without editing each page. Once you've highlighted the text type, click its current font name to change it. This opens a panel of available fonts. You can browse built-in options, or if you want something unique to your brand, you can bring in your own files right from here. To use a font that isn't already listed, click the Upload button. Squarespace supports common web font formats, and using properly licensed files is important for both legal and performance reasons. If you're working with multiple weights, keep in mind that each file you upload adds to your site's load size, so upload only what you truly need. Now, simply drag and drop your font file into the upload area. Squarespace will process the upload and make the font available within that same font selector. You should see your preview update to reflect the new type, which makes it easy to confirm spacing, readability, and overall balance before you continue editing other parts of your site. That's all. With just a few clicks, website on the left, the paintbrush at the top right, fonts, selecting your text type, choosing its font name, and uploading, you've added a custom font that elevates your brand. Keep your typography consistent, limit the number of styles for faster load times, and enjoy the polished look across every page.